Come on, Derby. Derby. Hey. Where you going, Derb? Want some water? Come here, Derby. You want some water? Hurry up, get some water. There they go. Having fun. Derby! Derby! Come here! Derby! Whoa! Look at you running. You are just full of energy, aren't you? Derby! Ooh, Derby! You're a goofball, huh? You're a goofball. You're buddies with Maverick. Derby!
Yeah, something like that. But that twin thing.
A big sheepdog. Come on. Come on, let's go. Derby. We're going to go around this thing 10 times because I'm doing an aerobic walk, so they should be exhausted. Come on. Come on. Hey. There she goes. They're in these bushes looking for a squirrel, and the squirrel already went up the tree. What are you chewing? Grass? Come on, Derby. Come on. Derby, are you getting tired? What are you guys doing in there? Derby. They're both in there. Derby, Maverick. Not ready to come out yet. Oh, there you are. They're both crawling through the Derby. What are you doing? I can hear her. Oh my gosh. They become really nice buddies. Derby's trying to sit in the water. Glad there's no big puddles, Derby. I know what you would be. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. You gotta get in my car. They're like chasing each other through this shrubbery. Come on, Derb. Maverick. Okay, this is our 4th time around the park. They're slowing down a little bit.